Well, just like in ChatGPT and Gemini, you can also use something called study mode in Copilot. But this one is a bit more interesting. So in ChatGPT, when you're using the study and learn mode, you can expect a text-based answer from AI. The same is true if you're enabling the guided learning feature in Gemini. Now, I think these tools are great, but there is one thing that makes Copilot a bit more interesting because you can essentially interact with AI, you can talk to AI, and it will show you a sort of whiteboard interface that gives you some short material that could help you understand the concept. So let me show you how you can use this interactive study and learn mode in Copilot. So step number one, navigate to copilot.microsoft.com. You can also use the app on your computer. And here, there's something that you need to know. This feature right now, when I'm recording this video, is still in early access and it is only available in the USA. So you might want to use a VPN service if you're not from that country. Anyway, let's continue. So right here in the smart option, you can click study and learn and you can click this microphone button. So it will bring up the Mico or Mico with the tiny whiteboard like this. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick demonstration. I'll talk to Mico or Mico. I still don't know how to pronounce the name, but you'll see that this whiteboard will reflect the changes or the topic that I asked to AI. So let me just do a quick demonstration. Hi there. Okay, are you still there?
Absolutely, I'm here. Just like a good friend on the other end of the line. So tell me, what's on your mind?
Hey, I want to understand how gravity works.
A classic curiosity. All right, let's pick that apart together. What part of how gravity works is most intriguing to you?
Yeah, I don't understand why matter attracts another matter.
Interesting question. So let's break it down a bit. Why do you think matter attracts other matter in the first place?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
Fair enough. All right, let's dive in. So gravity is basically this invisible force that pulls objects toward each other, and it's all because of mass. The more mass something has, the more it pulls things in. Now, what makes that idea click for you, or is there a particular angle you want to explore?
You know what? I want to know the gravity force formula. Can you give me just the formula?
Absolutely. Let's keep it short and sweet. The formula is pretty famous. It's F equals G times M1 times M2 over R squared.
Okay, as you can see, this whiteboard is changing depending on the topic that I'm asking to AI. And also, maybe some people will find it to be interesting that we have this animation that is dynamic based on the content or topic that was discussed. So I think this is a bit more interactive compared to the typical AI answer. And I think maybe ChatGPT and Gemini could follow this one example. So yeah, it wasn't a great performance because I'm using VPN service, but if you're not using VPN and you can access this tool without that, I think the connection is going to be a lot faster and much more basically higher performance, I would say. So that's how you can use the interactive study and learn feature in Copilot. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.